Prime Minister Narendra Modi is on a visit to his parliamentary constituency Varanasi today. The Prime Minister is addressing the One World TB Summit at Rudraksh Convention Centre on the occasion of World Tuberculosis Day. The second meeting of the Framework Working Group of the G20 Finance Track began in Chennai today. Indian Home Minister Amit Shah will chair the regional conference on drug trafficking and national security in Bangalore today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has conveyed his greetings on the start of Ramzan. Konkan 2023, a joint maritime exercise, was conducted between the Royal Navy of Britain and the Indian Navy from the 20th of March to the 22nd of the Konkan coast in Arabian Sea.